Hello, my dear virtual tutor and friends. This is my personal information. I am Miguel Rojas Vargas. I am 46 years old. I am single. My ID is 121363338 of Neiva Huila. I am a student of Lille 7th, belong to SECAP Neiva Huila. I work at Inder Huila as a coaching of my department. I am a teacher of basic English in primary teaching classes in basic English of the 4th and 5th degree. It publishes a school in my neighborhood. My cellular number is 315-600-3751 and my personal email is libertadgimnasia@hotmail.com and my Skype is miller.rojas2. Greetings to all. These are my answers to questions from the activities guide. Number 1. According to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? My personal goals is to improve my ability to write an English test and so improve the pedagogy to teach my students. Number 2. According to the course purpose, it could be inferred that a future teacher academic writing is going to be because and a starting point for our students to achieve excellence in the shortest time possible. Number 3. According to the course contents, what are the 2 topics you like the most and why? I like the Unit 3, whose main them are the essays, because several times I have some difficulty to achieve them and can to learn a lot here. Number 4. According to the learning activities, how many activities are to be complete in each unit? Comment on the one you will probably like the most. According to the learning activities, there will be 10 activities in the course recognition. There is 1 activity in the first unit. There are 4 activities. In the second unit, there are 3 activities. And in the third unit, there is 1 activity. The last activity is the final exam of this course. Personally, I prefer to the Unit 3 because I believe that the essays are very interesting topic to study. Thank you very much. Best regards.